So today's a good day. Parked out front of the building is a big yellow DHL truck, and our DHL delivery driver, here he comes up the stairs, and his name is Dominic, and he's bringing us our NuTone intercom door speaker cones all the way from the other side of the world.
All right.
Cool.
A few more to get.
Thank you. And here they are. This is the first three. We've got 10 boxes of speaker cones, and they finally cleared customs and made their way to San Francisco and then to the DHL facility in Oakland. And we've been waiting all day for this, and here's the first three. And this is Dominic's helper, Eric.
Oh, other way around.
Other way around. I see. Sorry about that. Eric is apparently in charge, and Dominic, coming up the stairs here, is helping him. I didn't know.
It's all good.
Here comes the next bunch. At least they put them in 10 boxes, and they didn't make like 3 really heavy boxes.
Yeah.
Here comes some more out of the truck. Got all kinds of stuff in there, it looks like. We apparently are not the last stop of the day. Eric and Dominic have left. We loaded them up with some free Pepsis because they are working hard today and it's kind of hot outside today. And here are our 10 boxes of 3.5-inch replacement NuTone entry door stations. I will be opening one up tomorrow because I don't have a tripod here today, but I wanted to show that they're here, and tomorrow there'll be more videos. See ya.